going on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Got the Air Jordan 3 on deck for you guys today. We're about to get into this detailed review and the on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet at the end of the video. But yeah, before I get into it, want to send a big shout out to my bro Holy Sneak. All his information will be in the description if you guys looking to pick up some kicks. We got an Air Jordan 3. Take a look at the box. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is white, fire red, cement gray. We're going to open it up. Inside the box, you got your cement print paper. Take a look. Take a look. The Air Jordan 3 Katrinas. Yes. Whew, these things is looking fire. Inside the box, just comes your regular cement paper and that's about it. Nothing else in the box, no card, no nothing. Retails $190. These release on May 12th. Now, for all the people out there that don't know, they were paying tribute to Hurricane Katrina, and Jordan Brand decided to make these and auction them and stuff like that. You guys already know. Does come with the hand tag, of course. It doesn't have the Nike Air hand tag because this is not an OG. Take a look when I push down. The leather is nice. Quality on the shoe is nice. Craftsmanship looks pretty good so far. Definitely looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? They looking good, and they smell good. Now going up, of course, you do got your white laces. Tongue is really nice. You can see got your tumble leather all on the tongue with your red Jumpman stitched in. Alright, let's take a look at the midsole. On the midsole, of course, before the midsole, you do got your elephant print on the front. You got your elephant print on the back. Feels real nice. You know, you got your tumble leather on the upper with your nice smooth leather right over here above the midsole. And on the midsole, you do have an all-white midsole with the red stripe that goes from here around the back. Let's take a look at the medial side. Same as the lateral. You got your cement print, of course. You got your tumble on the upper. And it's just really, really soft. White Jumpman, as you can see inside with the red inner sole. Sock line is also in white. Real nice. Back of the shoe. Take a look at that back. You can see got your elephant print back there. With your Jumpman in black with the Air. Take a look at that back. Now, bottom of the shoe, bottom, you got your Jordan right there in red, with your hits of gray. That's basically it. These are really nice. I'm happy that Jordan Brand is bringing a lot of threes back this year, because Jordan 3s are one of my favorite, especially the black cement 3s. Those are all around one of my favorite all-time Jordans. So all around clean shoe for the summer. These release May 12th. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? In my opinion, these are a must cop for me. And for sizing on this shoe, definitely go true to size. On Jordan 3s, I go true to size. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. Got more videos to come. Hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. And we about to get into this on feet, man. Let you guys see what they looking like. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Jungle.